children, welcome back to my channel. The chapter is, we are continuing with the quadrilaterals for standard 9. So we have been doing all the proofs of the various properties of the quadrilaterals. Now in this part we are going to use those properties and find the values of the angles. So here given ABCD is a parallelogram and the two angles, angle A is 80 and angle CDB is 60 is given. Now you have to find these two angles, these angles. So since this is parallel, we'll write these, mark these sides parallel. So whatever data you can mark in the figure, please mark it so that it will be easy for you to proceed, and you should use the figure effectively. Now 80, no, this opposite side is also 80. So you will get this angle. Suppose I am putting this as angle 1, angle C is equal to 80. The reason is opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Write the full sentence. Then angle 1 will be, you can use the angle sum property. So angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus 80 plus 60. So 140, 180 minus 140 is 40. These type of questions will come in your 1 markers, that MCQ type of questions. You got 1. Now you have to find angle 2. Angle 2 is very easy. Now this is 60. So this will be angle 2 is equal to 60. Alternate interior angles. AD is parallel to BC. Alternate interior angles. Coming to the next question. Again ABCD is a parallelogram. So immediately mark this. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. But here we have to find the angles. So the angles given I have already marked. Now you have to find the remaining angles. So 40, so this angle will be 40. Angle ACB equal to 40. The reason is AD parallel to BC. Alternate interior angles. Now you have to find, now this angle will be angle BOC. Angle BOC will be 180 minus 105 because its linear pair is 75. So we get this as 75. So angle OBC is equal to angle sum property again, 180 minus of 75 plus 40. So 180 minus 115 equal to 2065. So OBC you will get this as 65. Now you have to find, so this is 65. So this angle will be 65. Now you can find angle ABD, or you can, this will be 105. So angle ABO will be equal to 180 minus of 105 plus 35. That is in triangle AOB, angle sum property. In OBC, angle OBC, that is in triangle OBC. So 135, 105 plus 35, 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40. So ABO is 40. So now you have to find CDB. So CDB will be 40. Angle CDB will be equal to 40. Alternate CD, AB is parallel to CD, alternate interior angles. Sorry. Here it is given in a parallelogram. Angle A is equal to 2x plus 2y, 25, and angle B is equal to 3x minus 5. You have to find x and the measure of each angle. So the adjacent angles are supplementary in a parallelogram because AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to CD. So any two adjacent angles you take, it is supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary because the co-interior angles are supplementary. So you can say 2x plus 25 plus 3x minus 5 equal to 180. So 5x equal to 25 minus 5 is 20, bring it to RHS, 180 minus 20 is 160. So x is equal to 32. Now find the measure of each angle. So angle A is equal to, substitute 2 into 32 plus 25. So it is 64 plus 25, 89. And angle B will be equal to 3 into 32 minus 5, 96 minus 5 equal to 91. Now angle C will be equal to angle A, 89, opposite angles are equal, and angle D will be equal to angle B, is equal to 91. If an angle of a parallelogram is 4/5 of its adjacent angle, find the angles. So just now I told you the adjacent angles are supplementary. So let the angle be x and 4 by 5 x. Let x and 4 by 5 x be the angles. So x plus 4 by 5 x equal to 180. So taking the LCM, 5x plus 4x, 9x by 5 equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 into 5 by 9 equal to 100. So the other angle will be, so 4 by 5 x is equal to 4 by 5 into 100, this is 20 equal to 80. So the angles are 100 and 80 degrees. The next question is, given ABCD is a parallelogram and the perimeter is given 30 centimeters and one of the side is given as 9.5. Find the length of each side. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So this will be 9.5 and this we do not know. So 2 into 9.5 plus x is equal to 30. Sorry, 2 into 9.5 plus x, 2 into L plus B equal to 30. So 9.5 plus x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 minus 9.5. So the other side BC is equal to 5.5. AD is also 5.5. The opposite sides are equal. Next question is, given ABCD is a rhombus and angle A is 62, that is DAB is 62 is given, you have to find x and y. Now in a rhombus, we have already discussed, the diagonals will bisect the angle. That is one of the property. So the diagonals will bisect the angle. So this angle will be 31. So x is equal to 31. Diagonals in rhombus and square, the diagonals bisect the angle. If angle BAC equal to 31, therefore x is equal to 31. Alternate interior angles. AB is parallel to CD. And then now this is 62. So the angle B will be 180 minus 62. The full angle, that is angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 62, 118. And again this diagonal also, BD also bisects angle B. Therefore y is equal to 118 by 2, 59 degrees. So x is equal to 31 and y equal to 59. So you should learn the properties of these quadrilaterals, then only you will be able to do, and it's very scoring questions. Now you have to, ABCD is given as rhombus, and one of the angle is given as 110. You have to find x and y. So angle BCD will be co-interior angle. So 180 minus 110 equal to 70. Now AC bisects angle C. Therefore x is equal to y equal to 35. Now here also its ABCD is a rhombus. .40 is given. In a rhombus, the diagonals bisect at right angle. So this is 90. You can do this also in various ways. You can find angle ABC and then divided by 2 you can do, or you can use this as 90. Angle AOB is equal to 90. Diagonals bisect at right angles. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 40. So equal to 50. Now x you have found y. Now these two are equal. In a rhombus the sides are equal, therefore x will be equal to y. In triangle ABD, x is equal to y because AB equal to AD. Therefore y is equal to 50. Hope you are able to understand. Now the next question is, the length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the rhombus. Now the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So rhombus also bisect each other. So AC equal to 24, AC is equal to 24 and BD equal to 18. You can take any of these diagonals. Therefore AO will be equal to half of AC equal to 12, and similarly OD is equal to, so this is 12, and OD equal to half of BD equal to 9. So this is 9. Now we know the diagonals bisect at right angles. Angle AOD equal to 90 degrees. Reason, diagonals bisect at right angles. Now you can use the Pythagoras theorem. AD is equal to, now AD will be the hypotenuse. So AD is equal to root of AO squared plus OD squared. So 12 squared plus 9 squared. So AD is equal to 15. So the length of the side of the rhombus is 15 centimeters. The next question is, it's given again, ABCD is a rhombus, side measures 10 centimeter and one of the diagonal measures 16. So I'll take this as 10. So any of the diagonal you can take. So I'm taking BD equal to 16 centimeters. Therefore OD equal to 8 centimeters. The same reason, diagonals bisect each other. So DO is half of BD. And in rhombus the diagonals bisect at right angles. Angle AOD equal to 90 degrees. So using Pythagoras, AO is equal to root of 10 squared minus 8 squared. So 100 minus 64 equal to 36 equal to 6. So AC will be equal to twice AO equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12 centimeters. Now you have one D1 is equal to 16 and D2 is equal to 12, and area of a rhombus you have learned earlier, half into D1 into D2. So equal to half into 16 into 12. So 8 equal to 96 centimeter square. Hope it's clear. So I'll again meet you with more questions in my next video. So keep practicing, learn the properties thoroughly. So then only you will be able to do these type of problems. And these questions are very commonly asked questions in the exams. Okay, have a nice day and see you again in my next video.